When you submit an image to our prints department through the DTF single image uploader, you need to make sure that your picture does not have a background first. The easiest way to check if your image has a transparent background is by using our visual aid tool, which will show you that this image indeed has a white background attached to it. Our program has a built-in remove background feature to make this process easy and simple for you. Since this image has a white background, simply click Remove All White from Image, and the program will do it for you. Now we just need to check to make sure the background was completely removed from the image. The easiest way to do this is once again using our visual aid tool to make sure that the background is completely transparent and that there are no white artifacts left on the screen. Once you are satisfied with your image, the only thing left to do is crop. Cropping is simply the process of removing the excess space from the sides of your image. Once you are finished, your image is now print ready and you are ready to hit submit. In my next tutorial, I will show you what to do if your image does not have a simple white background, or how to troubleshoot if you run into any complications in the background removal process. I hope this tutorial helps you, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful and educational content.